When you see the commercials about, like, pull this rope, see how far your retirement will take you. You're like, I'm not even thinking about that. And it's, let me take that back. It's not that I'm not thinking about that. It doesn't seem touchable.
It's the only thing that really could be audited.
It's tax season again. A young married couple visits an accountant for guidance about filing jointly. It's a new experience for them.
I didn't grow up in a family that was able to talk about money in like a productive and healthy, normal way. I don't even know what that's like.
Right. So having access to that information, we walked out, I was like, I think I need a glossary of terms.
Yay, quack, 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 quack.
Crystal and Claudia are working to build a solid financial foundation for themselves and their young son, Malaya. Crystal works in human resources, while Claudia is a social worker and family therapist. Although they've been married for 2 years, this is the first year that same-sex spouses will be able to file federal taxes like any other married citizens.
One couple had been doing their tax return for a few years. They've been married, and it was extremely complicated last year. And this year I told them, we're filing you like any other married couple. It's not going to be complicated. It's going to be a lot easier. And he started to cry. He's like, who would have thought this little gay farmer boy from Arkansas would ever be treated like every other married couple? He said, I never thought I'd ever hear those words.
Okay, so don't touch your husband's 12.
The only thing is you have to think about New York.
Janice Cowie McDonough leads the LGBT practice at Markham LLP. She's volunteered to speak to Crystal and Claudia about their taxes. As the federal government legally recognizes same-sex marriages, it's changed how employers deal with same-sex couples.
We got this letter in the mail saying, due to this change in federal regulation, these taxes are now being refunded to you, and it felt very. It felt like we were being recognized.
Yes.
Oh, no, that is...
This year, Claudia and Crystal will benefit from filing jointly. But many same-sex couples will end up paying more in taxes as a result of their newly recognized status.
If you have disparate income, somebody's a high-wage earner and somebody's a stay-at-home parent or an unemployed parent, you'll definitely benefit by filing married joint. If you're two high-wage earners, you're going to get hit with the marriage penalty tax and pay a significant amount more in taxes.
So when you're ready to buy a house.
We'll see you in 10 years.
This young couple may be among the few who get some joy out of dealing with the IRS. But they face additional complications as same-sex parents when dealing with other bureaucracies like insurance companies or when traveling out of state.
The policies still don't reflect the needs that our families continue to struggle with, like health insurance and helping us to create our families and protect them.
This is Mac William Bishop reporting for the New York Times.
Hi, everybody. Hi, everybody.